I am Dr. G. S. Tripathi, ex-principal and head of Department of English, PG College, Madhyaur. Today's topic is active and passive voice. This topic of grammar is very important for the UP Board intermediate examinations as well as for CBSE. The students must be well versed in this topic and the rules and regulations. Only then they can be strong in writing good English and also in speaking good and very effective language of English. First of all, I will tell you something about active and passive voice. You may take it down. Active and passive voice is a device of speech. In active voice, subject is important as it is the chief doer of the work as indicated by the verb. Example, Mohan killed a lion. In this, killed is the verb, Mohan is the killer, he is the doer. So this shall be called active voice. In passive voice, the subject is not an important point. Object takes its place and it has direct connective with the verb. The subject in most of the cases is placed at the end, governed by the preposition by. Example, a lion was killed by Mohan. A lion was object in active voice, here it has become subject. Was killed is the verb. Mohan was the subject in the active voice, it has become object governed by the preposition by. Number 2, form of the verb in the passive voice. This is the topic, is the heading. The object comes at the first, serial, and then verb to be, like is, are, am, was, were, will be, shall be, is being, are being, and being, was being, were being, has or have been, had been, will or shall have been, are used just after the object. The turn of the main verb comes after this, but it is in the past participle. So it will be clear to you that past participle is very important because the verb is changed into past participle. And the auxiliary verb, as I have just indicated, they come before it. And then it takes the form of passive voice. You can just divide your one page of your answer book in 3 parts. First part, you take down tense. Second, just ahead of it, form of the verb to be. Third part, form of the principal verb. Take down present indefinite. Ahead of it, is, are, am. इसके आगे killed. Second line, past indefinite. Was, where. Form of the verb है. And then form of the principal verb is killed. Future indefinite, will be, shall be. और इसके आगे killed, past participle. Then present continuous. Auxiliary verb is, are, am, being. Past participle is killed. Then past continuous, was, were, being. Third में लिख लीजिए killed. Then future continuous, there is no change, you cross it. Then present perfect, in this you have to write has, have been. Then past participle killed. Past perfect had been, form of the verb हो गया. Then killed, past participle. Future perfect will or shall have been, उसके सामने killed. Then after this present perfect continuous, उसके नीचे past perfect continuous, उसके नीचे future perfect continuous. इनके सामने क्रॉस कर दो क्योंकि इनका एक्टिव से पैसिव में परिवर्तन नहीं होता है.